Hey there, coding enthusiasts! Today, we're going to dive into the world of Python and explore a fascinating library called REM. This library is designed to remove backgrounds from images, and we'll be using it to create a stunning image of Luffy from One Piece. So let's break down the code line by line. We start by installing the REM library using the command pip install REM. Next, we import the remove function from the RTMBG library. We then import the image class from the fill library and open our input image, which is a picture of Luffy. Now we use the remove function to remove the background from our input image. Finally, we save our output image with the saved method. And there you have it. You successfully removed the background from Luffy's image using the REM library. Thank you for joining me on this coding adventure. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more coding tips and tricks. Until next time, keep coding.